Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Doria Amor Mendoza. I am 38 years old. I live in Dili, Bawang, La Union. I have one daughter, Casidimia Lanang, and my husband Reggie. He's 38 years old. And I have 5 brothers and 5 sisters. My first experience there in Qatar since 2012 to 2014. I served there for 8 members of the family. My main duties there is cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and taking care of the 2 kids. I lived there for finished contract. And my second experience there in Prince Edward, Hong Kong. Since 2017 to 2019, I served there for 4 members of the family. Mom, sir, 7 years old girl, and 9 years old boy. My main duties there is cooking, cleaning, ironing, marketing, washing clothes, car washing. And I live there for finished contract. And my third experience there in Saingpun, Hong Kong. I served there 2 members of the family, mom and the 7 years old boy. My main duties there is cooking, cleaning, ironing, marketing, and washing clothes. And I live there for relocation. And my fourth experience there in Chunwan, Hong Kong. I served there for 4 members of the family, mom, sir, 3 years old boy, and the newborn baby. And my main duties there is cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and especially taking care of the newborn baby. And I live there for termination. Mom, sir, if you choose me, I will do my best and I will treat your family like my own family. And mom, sir, I am loyal, hardworking, honest. And that's all, mom. Thank you and God bless.